health champion, Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make a vegan spring roll. But before we do that, hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that because guess what? We're impacting and changing lives, one taste better at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, rubs, and amazing recipes. Here we go. Bam. So we got some carrots that we kind of took the skins off. We're going to use some carrots. We're going to use some lettuce. We're going to use some bell pepper. We're going to use some avocado. So first things first. Also, we have some spring rolls here, and I made up a Mirin Sauce. And I'm going to share with you another video on how to actually make that from start to finish too. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and prepare have those set up. Very colorful, very healthy. You got the fats, you got the antioxidants you need. This is a real healthy, actually immune boosting romaine lettuce. You take some peppers, make that pepper a little thinner. Peppers, bell pepper. Carrots. Some more. Put these on here. Avocado. Some of Georgie's. I'm just kind of showing you a couple different ways that you can do this. So now you just kind of take it and you kind of wrap it. You just kind of roll it up. And there you have it, boom. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one more because we have to sample it. I'll do one more for you guys. Put it in here, get the water. Ooh. Make sure we get that water nice and make sure it touches the water good. Sauce. And we'll use that to dip with. And again, I'll show you guys, I'll do a video on how to make this perfectly so you'll know. Okay, so now this is how it looks. You guys can take it to church and amen again.
Amen again.
Sometimes they come loose a little bit, so here we go. Dip it in a little bit. No double dipping. Here we go.
None of that.
And that's what it looks like when it's done. It is so good.
Make sure you, again, hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I'm Chef George. Thank you for watching. Chef George out.